Dear friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Understanding enlightenment first, it's important to understand what enlightenment truly means. While interpretations vary, in the broadest sense, enlightenment is a state of deep wisdom and insight about the nature of existence. It is to transcend the ego, the individual self, and to understand one's unity with the universe. The enlightened one experience is a pure, unconstrained state of mind, free from attachments and suffering. Meditation is the path to enlightenment. Meditation is a time-honored practice that trains the mind to focus, reduces distractions, and promotes tranquility and heightened awareness. It's a key instrument to peel away layers of ignorance, allowing a deeper understanding of reality and our true self to emerge. Establish a regular meditation practice. To embark on the path to enlightenment, one must commit to a regular meditation practice. This discipline helps you to cultivate mindfulness and awareness, as well as patience, as enlightenment isn't achieved overnight. The duration and frequency of your practice can vary according to your personal needs and lifestyle, but consistency is key. Master the art of mindfulness. Mindfulness is an essential aspect of meditation. It refers to being completely present in the moment, aware of your thoughts, emotions, sensations, and the environment around you without judgment. By observing your thoughts without becoming attached to them, you begin to understand their transient nature, which is a crucial realization on the path to enlightenment. Practice detachment. Detachment is not about neglecting or avoiding your feelings. It is about letting them come and go without clinging onto them or letting them dominate you. This practice of non-attachment allows you to observe your thoughts and feelings from a distance, reducing their power over your state of mind. Over time, this detachment extends beyond meditation sessions, helping you to maintain inner peace amid life's turbulence. Embrace compassion and love as you deepen your meditation practice. Cultivate compassion, love, and understanding towards yourself and others. This is often achieved through metta or loving kindness meditation. By opening your heart to others, you begin to perceive the interconnectedness of all beings, which is integral to attaining enlightenment. Understand the impermanence of all things. An important concept in the path to enlightenment is understanding impermanence. Nothing is permanent, and change is the only constant. By realizing this, you can let go of fear, anxiety, and clinging, leading to a state of liberation. Seek knowledge and wisdom. Meditation should be complemented by the pursuit of knowledge. Reading spiritual texts, learning from enlightened individuals, and continuously seeking wisdom cultivates a broader perspective of existence and aids in understanding the deeper truths of life. Practice patience and persistence. The journey to enlightenment is not linear and can be long and challenging. Be patient with yourself and the process. There will be times when progress seems slow or non-existent, but these are often the times when you are growing the most. Persistence and faith in the process are essential for success. The importance of a teacher or guru. While some have reached enlightenment through self-guided practice, having a guru or teacher can be incredibly beneficial. They can guide you through the intricacies of meditation, provide insight based on their own experiences, and offer moral and spiritual support throughout your journey. The path to enlightenment through meditation is a deeply personal and transformative journey. It requires dedication, introspection, and unwavering commitment. It's not simply about reaching a destination, but rather understanding and embracing the process. The shifts in perception, heightened awareness, and the experience of deep peace and interconnectedness that come with this journey can drastically transform one's existence. Silence and solitude. Making time for silence and solitude in your daily life can significantly enhance your meditation practice. Silence allows you to tune into your inner self and the universe, fostering a deeper connection. Solitude, on the other hand, is a chance to delve deeper into your practice without the distractions of the external world. It's in these quiet moments that we often find the most profound insights. Transcending the self. A significant aspect of attaining enlightenment is transcending the self. This means going beyond the ego and the notion of a separate self. Through meditation, you learn to disidentify from your thoughts, feelings, and sensations, and begin to experience the interconnectedness and oneness of all existence. Experiencing oneness. When the illusion of the separate self dissolves, you begin to experience oneness. You understand that you are not an isolated entity, but part of the infinite universe. This profound realization often brings about a deep sense of peace, joy, and love for all beings. Surrender. Finally, surrender is a key aspect of the path to enlightenment. This does not mean giving up or relinquishing control, but rather surrendering to the flow of life and accepting what is. It involves letting go of expectations and desires and allowing life to unfold naturally. In essence, attaining enlightenment through meditation is a lifelong journey of growth, learning, and transformation. It is about realizing your true nature, understanding the impermanent and interconnected nature of all things, and experiencing peace and liberation. Every step on this journey is an opportunity for profound personal and spiritual growth. Remember, the path to enlightenment is not a race. It's a deeply personal journey that unfolds in its own time. Be patient with yourself, remain open to new insights, and embrace the journey with an open heart. The path itself is rich with wisdom and peace, and each moment is a step closer to enlightenment. The pursuit of enlightenment is a testament to the human spirit's capacity for growth, understanding, and transcendence. Remember, enlightenment is not just a destination but a journey of awakening to your deepest, most authentic self. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.